just unfortunate I can't have the radio on. Alright, so this is what we got. This is gonna move me out.
This is here, I think, all right. I think I got that new.
All right, another step complete. Thank to having G-Mex Senior here for helping. So one good thing that I'm really happy about is the rails are looking really good. Grab a hammer here. Bang on that rails there once, we'll see what. Oh, nice and solid. Yeah, I think we're golden here with this thing. Nice and solid, just need new decking. We need, you know, give this thing a coat of paint. We'll finish banging the rust off of this. We'll have to, still undecided. And by the time I decide, this video will probably be uploaded, but I think I'm going to keep it hydraulic brakes. I never had a trailer with hydraulic brakes. This would be my first one. You can see here somebody has done work in the past where they literally just cut the lines off and routed all new. And I mean, it doesn't seem to be too bad that way, but you know, we're going to make sure lines are all in good shape. Maybe just replace all of them. This would be the time to get in here and replace all the lights, because it has pretty much incandescent lights in it. Like, I don't know what, it must be some kind of adapter, something I've never seen before. Oh, it's an industrial plug. But anyway, I do know there's LED conversions for all these lights. That's going to get all replaced. We're going to check the wiring out, make sure everything's good there. I think the plug and everything coming back. Yeah, this is all. That's connections to keep the wiring good. I do know on this here, I'm thinking about putting a junction block in it. I don't know yet, still working that out. Rebuilding the hitch. Master cylinder seemed to work, so we're just gonna put fluid in that. So, but one step at a time here with this thing. So we're gonna get the parts ordered for this, keep it hydraulic, and we're gonna get to sanding this down and seeing about for paint. So, but I want to thank GMEX Senior here for being here, help work on it, and we're going to continue on this project.